Be beautiful. Focus. Why aren't you focusing? There you go. There's my girl. You send this to Graham. Show her how you jump. You jump and squeal. Oh my gosh, she's a squealer. Yes, there she is. Hi, Pumpkin. Yay! Yay! Yeah? Oh, here comes the squeals. Here come my squeal. Oh, show Daddy how you're using your feet. Yeah, there you go. Cutie. You go up and down. You jump. You gotta kick, 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 kick. Kick, 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 kick. Yeah. You gonna kick? Yeah. Oh, good. She may have already exhausted herself. She's been doing it for about 25 minutes now. Hi. Mommy should come over there so that thing's not in her face, huh? Hi, monkey. We're having another smiling contest. See who can make the other person smile the biggest. Ah! What are you gonna do? Are you to jump? Yeah. Hi. There she is. What's over there? Hi. Are we almost time for a bath? Yeah. You little scoocher. Na 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 na. You say hi? I tell the elephant to say hi. Yeah. Hi, Pumpkin. Sophia. Sophia. Hi. Hey. What are you doing? There she goes. You're learning. You're learning. You can do a lot of things in that chair, huh? You can do a lot of things in that chair. You can go up and down. She's got her one little toe on the ground. She's trying. Hi, Buster. Reading book. You gotta sit on my yoga mat. Yeah. Yeah. Loves the yoga mat. Sophia. Sophia's looking right at him. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hi. Can you wave? Can you use that little hand of yours and wave? That, 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 that. Oh, somebody's sleepy. Look at that. Oh, my. Oh, hi. You almost done in there? You almost done in there? Oh. You have anything? Yeah? You have anything left to say? What do you have left to say, Sophia? You were screeching my ear off not 5 minutes ago. Are we all done? You say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can I get a smile before we go? Get a big smile, Soph? Big smile. Big smile. I want a big one. She's like, no, I'm going to go to bed. That would be hitting her threshold right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, hi. Big smile. Big smile. Yeah, it's about as big as we're going to get right now. Yeah. Okay.